Good morning. Today there's an unidentified cat in my neighbor's garden. But I thought I'm gonna read to you the poem that I wrote in Bulgarian just because it sounds good. And then I'll try to translate it as best as I can. Пътя към себе си, дали ще извървиш? Пътя към себе си, дали ще си простиш? Пътя към себе си, кой друг ще нараниш? Спри, огледай се и продължи. Всичко е твое отражение. Всичко е твое проявление. Всичко избира от теб. Съдба или късмет? Съзнателно преображение, Господно чудо, невиждано явление. Си ти. Събуди се, разбери, бъди. And then translation. The road to yourself, are you going to walk it? The road to yourself, are you going to forgive yourself? The road to yourself, who else are you going to hurt? Stop, take a look around, and continue. Everything is your reflection. Everything is your manifestation. Everything comes from you. Destiny or luck. Conscious transformation. Divine miracle. Unseen sensation. You are. Wake up. Understand. Be.